economic development in today's modern world. Every country is trying to achieve development. Means every goal, every small country also feel what economically we should be stabilized. So we can do better for our country. Every country's dream is that in right now. Economically how we can progress. But development is not confined to economic development only. Means like for example I am having a lots of money but I don't have a family, I don't have a health, right? This all are the, I don't have security. Then this all wealth and economy, it doesn't make any sense, right? If I, like for example, many countries in the world, they are very rich, or they but they don't have the pleasure, or they don't have rights, they don't have freedom. So that economy development will not make sense. Economic development means overall development of a human, right? So that should be in every way, socially also, economically also, right? Politically also, in every way a person should develop. So that is what the economic development means. It is a process of social change having many phases. Economic development shows constant increase in national income of a country. Economic development means, like for example, our national income is increasing day by day. Before this year this much it is, now it is increased to this much. So how it, here see in the blue box also given national income of India. National income of India, which was GDP, means gross development product. 2011-12 figures are given, and there is a vast difference between 2011-12 and 2015-16 figures. So this shows what we are progressing, we are not going down. So this is what economic development means. Now, constant economic development means what? Constant increase in national income of a country, increase in per capita income of a country, change in lifestyle of the people, change in the living standard of people. National income means overall income, right? Now, per capita income, when we talk about per capita income, so what we will do, whatever our national income is, that will be divided by the population of our country. That is what per capita income. Like for example, maybe US and our national income, maybe it will be same, but their per capita income is higher. The reason is what? That country's population is less, and our population of country is 130 crores people are there. So whatever the national income is there, that will divided into the population of country. Like for example, one family is having only 3 members, right? And one family is having a 10 members, and that both families income is 30,000 only. So between 3 people, how many thousand, how much will come? Per person 10,000 they have to spend. And here in a 10 members family, 30,000 same salary is there, so one person will get only 3,000 rupees. So that make difference. When population is higher, national income, per capita income is also divided. So that is the reason our per capita income is very less as per the other countries of the world. Now, increase in per capita income of a country, definitely it is increasing, but still it is very less. Changes in lifestyle of the people, change in living standard of people. Living standard means what? Like education wise, health wise, right? Then equality wise, we improve. So that is what the economic development is. It's a part of economic development. Now here we will understand what is economic development, overall economic development. Total income of a country is called national income. By dividing the total income of the country, that is national income, with the population of the country, we obtain the per capita income. Why? Living standard includes the facilities. Living standard means what? We get proper nutritious food, we get proper clothes to wear, then education, right? Higher studies, we will get proper hospitalization, health services are provided to us, transportation is available, roads are good, transportation service is easily available, as well as shelter. Because of increase of national income and per capita income in India after independence, there has been improvement in the services and facilities. Means after per capita income, definitely if we will, if our income is good, then definitely we are going to spend for other luxurious things also. We will go to the restaurant, we'll go for a movie, we go for a dinner, right? We go for a picnic, we go for a tour. So that is possible when our per capita income increase, so the services also will increase, right? So such as availability of food grains, cloth, electricity, education, health services, shelter, etc. The above mentioned requirements are fulfilled easily and in a better way as compared to the past. So these are the basic, now these all are the basic needs which are satisfied very easily. Every person is getting right now all these things. So we may say that economic development is taking place in India, right? So we, from this, what we understood, that definitely economic development is happening in our country. This is what it is all about, what economic development is. How, I hope you understand what economic development. Now we will go in a very important part. You have to understand what is the difference between economic development and economic progress. So we are going to do the thorough of this topic in a next part.